Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send money with PayPal to friends and family. First of all, open the PayPal app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on the send button at the bottom of your screen and this page will open up. Here, enter the target person's name, username, email, or mobile number, and then just select the account. Once you have selected it, you will be prompted to enter the amount of money you would like to send. You are also able to change the currency by tapping on this embed and then choose the preferred one. After you are done with all of that, tap on the next button and choose the bank account you would like to use. Note that if you tap on this friends and family feature, you will be able to select the payment type. So make sure to select the correct one. On this page, you can also review if the transaction features are all okay. But once you are satisfied, tap on the send button and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.